Hi guys, this is Sango right here. Today I'm going to talk about how to open a broker account, whether it's a demo or it's a live account, it will be the same. But I'm going to concentrate on how to open an FBS demo account, because that's what I'm using right now, and I really like it. Their customer service, they are just second to none. They are very responsive and very quick to respond as well if you've got any problem. So I highly recommend this one if you are to open one. Okay, so I'm going to click a link that will help me to open the account right away. We are going to also share the link in the comment section so that you can also just click the link and open your own account as well. All right. So right away, I will go to where the link is. It's on my WhatsApp. That's the link in blue there. So I just click it and it will send me straight to the registration page. Okay. Once you get to the registration page, assuming that you already opened your Gmail account or you have a Gmail account on your phone that you are using, what you just need to do, you don't necessarily need to put in any details there. Just click the G at the bottom there, the G for Google at the bottom there with some colors, and it will help you to link this FBS account with your Gmail account so that you'll be using your Gmail information to log into your FBS account. Okay, so that's what I'm going to click right now. I'm clicking the G, and it will, on the next page, it asks me on which account do I want to use. Okay, so I'm going to use another account since my original account, I've already used it. So I've opened this account at the bottom there, inoxsango87@gmail.com, specifically for this training, specifically for this video. So that's what I'm going to select right now. And it will automatically take some information there, the email and the name already. As you can see, they are both ticked, meaning to say they all qualify. Okay, once you do that, you click proceed. Then you wait for it to proceed to the next page. And on this page, guys, before you type in anything on this page, click back so that you can select, because by default it will ask you to open a real account instead of a demo account. If you want to open a real account, that's okay, you can put in the details in there, then click open account. But if you open a demo account, you need to click that back button at the bottom there. That's what I'm clicking right now so that I can select demo, because you always want to start with a demo account so that you know there are things, the spreads, the pairs that this particular broker work with. You want to know all that before you risk your real money. Okay, so I'm clicking back. Then on this page you select demo. As you can see, it's selected real. Okay, so when you click demo, that's the first thing. Then you select demo standard. That's what we are going to work with right now. Okay, so that's what I'm clicking demo standard there at the middle. Now we are back on that page, but now the difference is you now have an option to put in your initial balance. Remember, the demo account is what you use to do all the trainings on, to do all the errors, do everything on your demo account, guys. You can blow it over and over again and keep on reloading it until you get it right. All right, so on this page, you select Metatrader4. By default, it will be on Metatrader5, and we don't usually recommend you to start learning how to trade or start trading with Metatrader5. Yes, it's an upgrade from Metatrader4, but it's a little bit complicated, especially when you are just starting. Even me, even though I'm already making money in the Forex market, I don't use Metatrader5. All right, so you select Metatrader4, and the currency account is already selected, US dollars, and initial balance. On this page, guys, make sure when you are selecting your initial balance, make sure you put in the exact amount you'll be winning or you'll be able to put into your real trading account. We want you to have that feeling that you have when you put your real money. Okay, so don't end up opening a demo account with $1,000 or with $10,000 or with $100,000, but when you want to open your real account, you want to start with $100 or less. Okay, you'll be fooling yourself, because with a bigger demo account you'll be making a lot of money and you'll be removing all the emotions. But with your real account, because the money will be too little, you kick in a lot of emotions and you end up blowing your accounts, because you will be trading what you call revenge trading and also emotional trading. Okay, and that blows accounts real quick. Okay, so let's just assume that we are going to start with $100 account. So I make sure that I wrote $100. Don't put in the cents there, just type in 100 and it's done. And leverage, I recommend 1:1,000, but if you want to use something below that, it will also be okay, because it reduces the risk on your account. But I don't usually recommend you to use anything more than 1:1,000, because it will be increasing the risk on your account. All right, once you do that, we have selected 1:1,000 as our leverage there, and just confirm if everything is okay, especially on the Metatrader version there. Make sure it's on Metatrader4. Once you confirm that and you confirm your balance, your leverage, you can click open account. All right, you can open account and just confirm this information at the top there. Your email is your email, your country, your name, all that. And on this page where it's written your demo standard MT4 account information, guys, make sure you screenshot this. Make sure you screenshot this page, because you want to come back to these login details every now and then. All right, so I'm screenshotting it right now. Okay, and as soon as you screenshot this page, copy the Metatrader password. Copy the Metatrader password. That's this password right here. All right, click this copy button right here. Click that copy button. That's what I'm clicking right now, so that the password will be copied to my clipboard. And once you do this, you need to click the button written. You can actually also write down the login number, the Metatrader login number, which is 9746907. 9746907. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and click proceed to personal area at the bottom there. Okay, and now you are in your account. You are in your FBS dashboard. All right, FBS dashboard, and the account that we have created is right here at the bottom there. Demo account is written demo account. If you click it, it will show you the information. All right, it will show you the information. If it's not showing any balance there, just don't worry right now. We'll see what it will be showing when you go to the Metatrader4. All right, so this will be your information. Every time you blow your account, you come back to your account. You come back to your FBS account right here, and you just click add funds, and you can enter the amount that you want to add. For example, right now it's showing 00. If you enter 100 right here and click confirm, well done. We'll update your demo account balance soon. Okay, just click got it. So we expect to have maybe at least $200 on our account when we log into our MT4 platform, because we started with $100 and we added another $100. All right, now let's go to the MT4 platform. We want to go to the MT4 platform. You see, it will ask you to download it if you haven't done that already. And once you can just click MT4, and it will send you straight to the Google Play or Play Store. If you haven't downloaded it already, you'll see the button written download or install rather. Okay, if you have downloaded it already, it will be written open. You just click open, and it will be sending you straight to the Metatrader4. And usually when you open it for the first time, it opens for you its own Metatrader4 demo account, and usually it's 100,000. Okay, you don't want to use that to trade, guys. You open your own. Make sure that you open your own account. Okay, how do you do that? Just click the plus at the top there and click log into an existing account. We have already opened the account, so we are logging into an existing account. And right here we want to select, just type in FBS demo. Okay, or just type in FBS and you select demo depending on the server that you have been given on that page that we took a screenshot of. So you click FBS demo. Then on this login, remember that number that we talked about. Let's go back and that number. We only copied the password. So the number is 9746907. Okay, we come back to the MT4. 9746907. That's our login number. Then on the password, remember we copied our password earlier on. We just long press, okay, and release, and we a pop-up message with paste come out, and we click paste. That's our password there. Make sure the button, the save password button, is ticked. Make sure it's ticked so that you don't keep on entering your details every time you log into your MT4. Okay, then click sign in. The only way that you can see if you manage to log in successfully is by seeing a ribbon, a green ribbon written demo if it's a demo account, or a yellow ribbon written real if it's a real account. And just as I said, remember we entered $100 when we opened the account, and we added another $100. So the account have got $200 right now, and this is a demo account. Okay, and the ribbon is there written demo at the top right corner there. It shows that we now have the demo account. Okay, we now have the functioning demo account. On how to use the Metatrader4, you need to know the course page. You need to know the page. Just look at the bottom there. Whatever button with blue, that's the page that will be active. Okay, so this is the page that we are talking about. But on the details on that, we are going to create another video to show you how to actually make use of this Metatrader platform. But for now, don't forget to click subscribe at the bottom there. Click subscribe. Also click the bell so that you can get notifications every time we put in a brand new video that will show you how to make money. So let's make money, guys. Let's open this account and let's start printing cash right on our phones. Thank you very much, and goodbye for now.